Hey there, homeowner or small business owner. Are you stepping into the world of house cleaning and maid services? Imagine having a sparkling clean house or business space, but have you considered the mess that unexpected mishaps could bring? What if a simple slip or a spill leads to a legal tangle? Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to get insurance for your house cleaning and maid service business in the United States. So grab a seat and let's safeguard your journey. Step 1. The Insurance Essentials. So, you're the go-to house cleaner or running a small maid business. First things first, let's talk about insurance. Just like we put on sunscreen before hitting the beach, you need protection for those unexpected bumps in your cleaning journey. Slip and fall accidents, property damages, or even lawsuits, they're all real possibilities. Step 2. What's on the table? Now, what's under the insurance umbrella? Maid service insurance, that's what. It's a collection of different business insurance policies designed to fit your needs. If your employer doesn't provide insurance, don't worry, you can look into these coverage options for your own protection. Maid liability insurance. This is your golden ticket. Imagine being covered against claims from your employer or other parties. Think of it like a superhero cape for your business. You have two main options here: general liability insurance and professional liability insurance. General liability insurance. This is your first line of defense. You accidentally break an expensive vase while dusting, or a child gets hurt while playing under your watch. General liability insurance steps in, covering medical expenses, property damage, and even legal fees if things get messy in court. Professional liability insurance. We all make mistakes, right? If you accidentally use the wrong cleaning agent on a client's precious clothing, and they sue you for negligence, this is where professional liability insurance shines. It's like your safety net, covering legal expenses, settlements, and more. Step 3. The maid's tools and equipment. Your trusty cleaning tools deserve a safety net too. If your equipment gets lost or damaged due to fire, theft, or vandalism, tools and equipment insurance has your back, ensuring you can replace them without a hiccup. Step 4. Housekeeping insurance. Hold on, let's clarify something. Housekeepers and maids have slightly different tasks. Housekeepers focus on cleaning, while maids handle more. That's why insurance coverage differs. Housekeepers usually need tailored housekeeping insurance. Step 5. The Housekeeping Agency. Running a housekeeping agency? Well, that's a different ball game. You've got employees to take care of. And that's where workers' compensation insurance comes in. It's like a guardian angel for your workers, covering medical treatment, hospitalization, and even lost income. Commercial property insurance. Don't forget your business property. Whether it's your office or storage space, commercial property insurance is there to save the day if disaster strikes. Think fire, extreme weather, or theft. It's like a safety net for your workplace. Commercial auto insurance. If you're using a commercial vehicle, commercial auto insurance is your go-to. It covers accidents, repairs, and even replacements for your vehicles. If you're a real road warrior with more than 2 vehicles, fleet insurance might be your match. Burglary and housekeeping insurance. Worried about sticky fingers? Burglary and housekeeping insurance is your answer. It protects against theft-related losses, but remember, it might require signs of forced entry for coverage. Employer's liability insurance. A twist in the story, employees can sue you too. Employer's liability insurance is like the big sibling to workers' compensation insurance. It covers legal expenses if an employee sues you for negligence. Step 6. Crunching the numbers. Let's talk price. On average, if you're a self-employed maid or run a small maid company, you're looking at around $37 per month for a $1 million general liability coverage. Not too shabby for peace of mind, right? Hourly house cleaning insurance cost. Hourly coverage is also an option, ranging from $1.52 to $3 per hour. So, if you're cleaning for 12 hours, the cost would be around $18.24 to $36. Next, one-stop shop for maid service insurance. And here comes the grand finale. Ever heard of Next? It's like the ultimate insurance bundle for house cleaning and maid services. With general liability, professional liability, tools and equipment insurance, workers' compensation, and even commercial property insurance, they've got it all. Oh, and you can save up to 25% discounts on business insurance. We've covered it all. From those tricky slips to unexpected mishaps, you're now armed with the knowledge to navigate the world of insurance for your house cleaning and maid service business. So, go ahead and make your cleaning journey sparkle, minus the worries. And remember, a clean business is a smart business. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.